So I was trying to put me a light over here on my shop table, okay, on my mill. I was trying to come up with all kind of ideas, drill holes, tap and drill and all this stuff. So I got thinking, well, I'll do it here and I'll probably have to take it off. I put it here, I have to take it off. I couldn't find a good place to put it. So finally, came up with this idea. Y'all see here? I put it through an angle iron, and then I put a C-clamp on it, around back the whole thing. There. It's C-clamped on there. Now then I can move it anywhere I want to, and I ain't got to worry about some darn holes all in it. Alright, but my wire. This thing was attached to something else. And I've done everything in the world for it. So, has no plug-in. I got a plug-in I took off something else and been laying around for a while. It has no switch. See here? Can you see that spot right there? See that spot right there? Alright, that's where a switch goes. I don't have a switch, but I was digging around in my junk, leftover stuff, and look what I found, a switch. So I'm going to try to put this in here and put a plug in on it now. So that's what I'm going to do right now, so y'all just bear with me. And this is another thing I do. Okay. I'm going to sit right here on my stove. And I hope y'all can see me, what I'm doing. I'm going to take this apart first. Here, okay. See how it's, I forgot how I put it together. This switch is like this, a lot better than those little black ones. Now, I got a bunch of them little black ones on the wires and switches and stuff, but I kind of like these better. It's got a little bit more of a touch off or something. See what I mean? There you go. Yeah. Okay. Throw that over out of the way. Alright, let's get this going. Let's take this apart. I'll take this apart here. Oh no, a loose screw! No! There you go. Make me mad now. Take this out. Ooh, look at all that wire. I was trying to jig rig, nigger rig or something. That's what I was doing. Some right there to later. Then I'll get them thrown away. There you go. Alright, now. Put that there and that there. You know, I gotta go get some wire strippers. I gotta go find me some wire strippers. I'm gonna stick this through here. Go find me some wire strippers, okay? Okay, I'm back with the wire strippers. See? And you always got to do this the way the screws are going to turn. If you don't put it in there the way the screws are going to turn, you're just wasting your time. Because to there, like that one to there, and there you go. I'll bring this back up here, and let's stick it back in there. Hey, it's Pat Albert and the Cosby Kids. Y'all remember those? We fixing this right here. I'm going to try to do here. Strip these wires. I'll tell you a little secret. If you don't know what size gauge of wire you got, this is my way of doing it. As I close it off, and I take my cut wire and I stick to the other side, and I see which one is big enough of the wire. You know, where down in here, where it sits on there. You know, boom. Okay, that one. I cut it. That's how I know which gauge is which one to use, man. Which one I got to use. That's how I do it. I don't, I don't work with wires enough to say, well, I know what wire that is. Aren't those magnet screw drill? I mean screwdriver. Alright, now, go get a light bulb. I don't know if these are working or not. This is all I got. I used to have these all in the shop at one time. These here. But I took them out and put in some long ones. And I don't think this is going to work. And it said, let there be light. And then there's light. Wherever I need it. Now. See? I got light. Wherever I need light. Yum, yum. And over, I can turn it off. There you go. All right, that's fixed. Now, let's get out of here and go in the house. And hit subscribe, thumbs up. Don't cost you nothing to subscribe. I'd like to have more people on my channel, that'd be fine. But hey, thank y'all for watching. Bye now. God be with you.